you not make $1 billion today, Sebastian? That's all, I just want to know, Sebastian. If you knew where the market was going to go, why did you not make $1 billion today?
What's going on, and welcome to another full transparency trading session. I'm your host, Sebastian. We've entered our trade. We're looking for the 23 EMA right here. We're at $300 for the day as far as the funded account goes, 287 right here. We're going to lock in when we come back down to this candle wick, or this 21,734. We got $200 there at the line, so we will lock in the blue line. We're risking about $260. You know what? We're going to trust in our analysis, and we're going to go to the top of this candle wick right here. We want 21,740. That'll give us about a $500 day. We're almost there. We're at 457 right now. I like to start my days on my accounts off with $500. This is an account that I passed just yesterday, actually. This is my second My Funded Futures account. So very happy to pass my second My Funded Futures account. Want to come on down here to this candle wick. Want to lock in the $200 though. We're going to go ahead and do that. Secure our $200 mark. And then come on down to this wick right here. So that puts us at 395 for the day. That wick back up is problematic. Go over to micros for the... Nah, we'll stay in minis. Go up here to 780. Sell one at 780 there. 50 ticks, risking 250. So we're going to sell one right here at 780. Still looking for the same 1500. We'll go down to the 1/32 200 EMA. Should get us up in this little area right here on the next push up to this blue line. And we're about to enter. Ooh, we're so close. Come on, tap me in. It's like 50 more cents. It's like 50 more cents. I need 50 more cents out of this. Dang, it was so close. I needed 50 more cents. It came down to 50 cents off of my entry. Damn. And that quick sell-off is going to be a problem. We needed to push back up and get me in at this blue line here. Always be aware of where it's flowing up to. Once it starts breaking levels, you see that it went down to the 23 EMA, didn't break the 23 EMA, so it went right back up. We're still in an upwards trend. I'm just taking a little bit of reversals off of the resistance that's been formed here because we're pretty high on the push up from 830. So we're looking for 781 is the entry, right? We wanted to get in at 789.50. We should still be able to get the 789.50, and that'll give us another $185 to $375 off of this play here. So just be patient, let it come to you. Don't chase it. You know, especially when you're starting a new account up and you just want to make some money and stuff off of it. We're risking $250, but we won't lose the $250. We'll cut off at like $150 right here if we are pushing hard. So as we're at 597.80, we're probably gonna hit 598.05 or whatever, and then reverse off of there. So we should be tapping me into my trade here in a moment. Once we tap me into my trade, I'll go ahead and go to this line right here for the rejection, and then we'll take that 175. That should give us a $300 day. I mean a $500 day, and that's all I want. I just want $500 out of the day. So we're gonna go to this area right here. You see that it wicked up like I said it would, and now we're gonna have it push us back down, and we're looking for $500. So we need $50 more, so $100 on this right there. That is enough to get us the $50 that we want. Start spamming the lock in. We've locked in. Lock in right there for the 200. Lock in right there for the 300. And now we're having ourselves a great day, guys. Pulling back off of that 320. We'll take that. Can we get 4? Can we get 4? We can get 4. Awesome. We got 4. Can we get to 5? This right here is support. So we're going to lock in the $400 at support. Yeah, that's a $735 day with very little effort over 2 trades. That's excellent. So now for this account, I'll shut it down. I won't trade it anymore. Let's go over to My Funded Futures. Give me 1 second. So this is My Funded Futures over here. This is my second pass account. I passed my first account like 3 months ago. So what I like to do is go about 60 days. I try to get to what's called live trading. So you need like 30 days of $200 in order to hit live trading with My Funded Futures, and I finally hit that. So I decided to open up a second account with them, and you use the money from the first account to pay for the second account. Try to avoid buying multiple accounts with your own money. Like if you get 1 or 2 accounts, that's good, because then you have a chance that if you fail the account or whatever, you can keep it going. But you want to try to get accounts using the money from the prop firms themselves versus using your own money, because that defeats the purpose. If you're spending all your money on the accounts and you're getting the accounts through your own means, it defeats the purpose. The purpose is to come here and get paid out by these accounts. As you see, I'm taking very strategic, very casual trades. Let me make sure I don't have any other trades open or whatever. I do not. And so now I have 2 accounts with him. I can double the amount of money that I can pull in. And today is a great start to the account, making $735 in one day. Close it down, move on to the next account. Now I'm going to go over to Top Step and start working on my Top Step accounts in the 9 o'clock hour. But right now it's shower time, so I got 15 minutes to shower before I got to get into the next trades in Top Step. Once I get over to Top Step, notice that where I got out was the perfect area to get out. Support, these blue lines always act as support and resistance. So resistance up there, I was above it. Support down here, that's where I went and locked in my profit. And you just take as much as you can get. You don't have to get $1,000 trade every time you click a button. Just take as much as the market will allow you. But with that said, I'm heading out. I'll catch you guys in the next one.